Hello, and welcome back to Quantitative Reasoning Online. We just finished up the tutorial video on appreciating depreciation. Long story short, basically how to do a straight line slope equation in the background or in the undertows. So let's go off and let's see the questions. What do they look like? What are they? I don't know. Let's find out. What the heck happened here? Let's go leave page. Amazing. Clear ink. Oh, that was unusual. So, and concurrency, triangles. So let's see, let's solve some triangles here. We're told they're similar. You gotta be very careful. It's stated that they are similar, which means the angles are the same. We're also being told that we have right triangles or 90-degree corners at E. Now, since it's proportional, they're similar, it means the sides are proportional to each other. So I see I have two sides. I have a side on both triangles that we have the information on. I have this corresponding side and that corresponding side, and they're similar. So that's going to allow me to set up the proportion or the ratio of how the two triangles are similar to each other. And just out of curiosity, 156 over 39, is that a good number? Let's find out. Ooh, 4. Long story short, one triangle sides are 4 times bigger than the other triangle side. Okay. But we'll do proportions here. So let's see, we'll look for x. So I want to compare this side with the corresponding side on the other one. Not the slant side, but the shorter of the two other sides. So again, we have triangle big over triangle small. Or the other way of doing it. So let's look at 156 over 39 equals x over 15. Which means 4 equals x over 15 because 156 over 39 is 4. So x should be 4 times 15 or 60. And the units are in inches. So this must also be in inches. Okay. And solve for y. Okay. Y and corresponding sides. So let's use our known relationship. So 156 is to 39, as y would be to 36. And only because 156 over 39 is a nice number. 4 is y over 36. So y would be 4 times 36. Or 144. Alternatively, could have gone cross products. Okay, which would have given us 156 times 36 39y equals 5,616. And divide both sides by 39. Again, we get y equals 144. Your choice. And again, the inches. It's inches over here, inches here, inches there. That's got to be inches too. All right. Any more? New page. Clean screen. All right. So, two friends sold their vehicles recently. Both vehicles were particularly brand in good condition, very good condition. Similar accessory, no mileage. One was 2 years old, sold for $22,000. Other was 9 years old, sold for $7,000. Complete part A through C. So the value of the second car sold, the car sold at 2 years, remember this T2, P2. What are the value of the coordinates of value B2? So let's do coordinate pair. So I can either type in parentheses or I can just do this guy. So it has to be year 2, and value was 22,000. I missed the thingy. Rats. There you go. I missed it again. I guess I should just used it. Third time's the charm. So 2 years, 22,000. Do the old-fashioned way. Shift parentheses 2, comma 22,000. Then like something about the way I typed it in didn't like. How about a V9? Well, let's try this again. I know it is going to be 9. Okay, why is this giving me so much troubles? 9. How much? 7,000. Okay. And imagine there's a line through B2 and B9, determine the slope. Alright? So M is going to be basically y over x, change of y over x. I'm just going to pick this guy for my first one. So 22,000 minus the next one, and his x value was 2. Then we have 7,000, and his x value was 9. 22,002, 22,002, 9 and 7,000, 9 and 7,000. So 15,000 over minus 7. As I do the subtraction. Let's say minus $2,142.86 per year. Minus 2142.86. 2 decimal places. There's penny. Alrighty. Oops. Yeah, so I took my 2 points. Like I could have done this minus that, reversed them, which would give me minus 15,000, 7,000 minus 22 over plus 7, 9 minus 2. So it doesn't matter what order you do them in, just make sure you keep the x and the y terms together over each other in the order that they appear. Next question. Clean the screen. 4 parts. Information states that a 2-year-old vehicle costs $28,000. And 9-year-old vehicle is $65,550. The slope of the line goes through the 2 points. The 2 points is minus 3,064.29. Complete A through E below. All right. Part A, find the estimated resale price for a 3-year-old car. Okay. So from 2 to 3, let's subtract that from it. So let's do the 2-year-old car, and we'll subtract 1 year's worth of loss of sale for 29, which gives me $24,935.71. So 24,935.71. Okie 4-year-old price. All right. So let's take the 3-year-old price and subtract another 3,064.29, or take 28,000 and I'll subtract 2 depreciate or 2 reductions. Either one gives the same answer. So it's that one, and let's subtract 3,064.29 for 21,871.42. And let's try this the other way. Let's do 28,000 minus 2. See, this works. Hey, it is going to work. No, that ain't going to work. Do you have parentheses in here anywhere? Here we go, friends. Here we go. Again, 28,000 minus 2 times 3,064.29. And we get 21,871.42. Hey, it's the same price. It's the same. Huzzah! It's a miracle. 21,871.42. Of course. And we serve the 5-year-old price. So this was the 4-year-old price. So I know it's going to work. So let's just take another 3,000 off this guy. Minus 3,064.29 for 18,807.13 cents. 18 807 13 345. And estimate the resale value of a 1-year-old vehicle. So now we're going this way. So from to the 28,000, let's add back 1 year's worth of decreased value. So add 3,064.29 for 31,064.29. 31,64.29. I think it's the last one. Oh, one more. And find the estimated value of a brand new vehicle. So that'd be year 0. Like I said, we got this one. Well, let's do it the way they were showing earlier. So at t equals 0, let's do down here. T equals 0. Let's start at t equals 2, and let's add back 2 years worth of cost reductions. So 28,000 plus $6,128.58. What appears to look like $34,128.58. Let's see if we're correct. 34,128, all without a calculator. Oh, something 34,000. Where did that sound come from? $128.58. There we go. There are a couple ways. You can just keep on adding, adding the slope or subtracting the slope that was given to us, or we can try and use some kind of an equation type approach. Whatever works best for you. Oh, only one part. Table shows the resale value. That's what the table looks like. Okie dokie. Given car, table is calculated using the point 12600 and 98850, and the slope between these points is minus 2143.75. Okay. So actually, no calculation needed here. We're given the slope, P, slope, T plus B, and this is when P at T equals 0, and we have that number, and we have the slope, so P should be minus 2143.75 T plus 28,143.75. Minus 2143.75. 28. Don't put extra numbers in. And all is good. Yeah, they already did the tape for us, so yeah. Good to go. And I believe that is it for the questions. Yes, it is. And that completes Quantitative Online Lesson 9B. So why don't you practice assignment? Yeah. So work on 9B workbook tutorial with Stephanie, and once that's done, copy your work, upload it, and then attempt 9B practice. And I'll see you shortly with tutorial on Quantitative Reasoning Online, Part 9C. See you soon.